Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by importing the media. Choose the file and make sure the app shows a clear waveform. Once imported, zoom to see details so you can mark edits precisely. Use the in/out handles to set a rough range for the first cut. This saves time later. If you need multiple files, import them now and arrange their order on the timeline. Also, make sure audio levels look healthy. Avoid red clipping, so subsequent trimming keeps quality intact. Next, refine the selection with precision tools. Zoom in, toggle snap for consistent cuts, and split at exact frames. You should trim unwanted silences and apply subtle fades. Fade in or out for 0. 5:1. 5 seconds to avoid clicks. Use the normalize or gain control to match loudness across clips, and play in loop to confirm transitions sound natural. Once satisfied, arrange clips, add simple transitions or silence gaps. Finally, export with the right settings. Select Format, Codec, and Bitrate, then name the file and pick a destination. Make sure duration and preview match before you hit export. Once done, verify playback on a different player. If something goes wrong, like audio out of sync or no sound, reopen the project, check codec compatibility, and try disabling hardware acceleration. If errors persist, re-import the source and repeat the short export test. That usually pinpoints the issue and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.